First, see the installation manual for recommended mounting locations. Hold the Glassbreak unit upside down and twist the base counterclockwise to separate the base from the detector. Once opened, install the provided batteries into the Glassbreak unit. Once you have determined where to mount the Glassbreak detector, drill 3 pilot holes using the mounting plate as a guide. Secure the mounting plate with the side with the post near the center facing away from the mounting surface. Use the provided screws to install the mounting plate. To mount the Glassbreak unit into the mounting plate, find the raised alignment notch on the outside of the mounting plate and the alignment mark on the Glassbreak unit. Align the 2 marks together and then twist the Glassbreak clockwise to lock it into place. Make sure the relay panel is in programming mode and then press the test button on the top of the unit for up to 6 seconds. The relay panel should speak the name that you have given the Glassbreak detector. When you hear the name of the detector, confirm the sensor on the relay